Hello, my name is Greg Palya and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the first step to take when you notice a roof leak. So most people will see a roof leak in their office, they'll see a brown spot in their ceiling, and they'll really think nothing of it, but hopefully today I want to convince you to take action and do something about it, and for the right reason. So the first thing you should do is call a roofing company and get an inspection. Now I know I work at a roofing company, so it's easy to say that, but I'm going to try to tell you why. And the first thing is it's free to do a roof inspection. So first thing, roof inspection. So what a roofing contractor will do, they'll come to your spot, they'll look at the leak, they'll make sure if it's not anything major, they'll go on your roof, they'll look through your seams, look through your penetrations, look through your chimneys, look through everywhere to make sure and just determine the level of damage that's going on. And it's just for your well-being. You want to know what the damage is and if it could be helping to take away something that could be a lot larger. So how it could be a bigger problem. So say your commercial building is 20,000 square feet, standard size. If your saturation is more than 10% of the roof or 25% of the roof, you got to completely tear off the roof. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. And usually, I mean, that's between $6 to $12 a square foot for material and labor to completely tear off your roof. But if you can notice a leak early and get in there where you can just spot remove a little section, and usually that's between 0% to 25% saturation, you can just remove that small area, replace it with like material and just fix it and go on from there. But usually that would be $2 to $4 a square foot. So I mean, if you're doing the math here, you're looking at this one is 40K to 80K. If you notice it right away, you can get away with a smaller cost there. But if you're not, you're looking at 120K to, I'll double this, 240K. So huge difference between these two numbers. And it's all the difference of noticing a leak early and fixing a problem before it's too late. You have to completely tear off your roof. That's just all I wanted to say today. Hopefully you learned something new. Hopefully you take some precaution if you notice a brown spot in your ceiling. For more details, go to the description. There's the URL to the complete blog post. And that's it. Have a great day. Thank you.